Sparky's welcome all the travelers for the very first tour around the world. Put your seatbelts on and let's get started. Today, we will be meeting an amazing set of pretty little aves. Who are aves then? Simply, we can call them birds. Birds are vertebrates and warm-blooded. Their body is covered by feathers, and that is the unique feature used to distinguish them from others. There are different types of birds in this world. Here comes the fastest. Let's meet our very swift peregrine falcon. Let's meet the slowest out of all. Who is that? It is American woodcock. Sparkies, say hi to this proud ostrich. Why is it so proud? It is the largest bird in the bird's world and the one who lays the biggest egg. Not only that, the one who's having the biggest eye. Even though the peregrine falcon can fly fast, ostrich is the one who can run fast in the bird's world. When come to aves, their primary mode of locomotion is flight. The main types of flights are flapping flight and gliding flight. Instead of these two, some other birds use hovering flight also. The bodies of the birds are streamlined and it is well adapted for flight. But how? As their body is covered by feathers, it makes them less weight. Is that the only purpose of having feathers? No. Feathers also provide insulation so that they can keep their body temperature constant. There are some unique behaviors of birds. One is preening. Birds used to brush and clean their feathers with the help of their beak. Here they apply oily or waxy substance that is secreted by the uropygial gland or preen gland, which is found near the tail. This preening process helps them to waterproof their feathers and keep them in good condition. Now we have come to the end of the tour. Hope you have enjoyed it. Let's meet another day for a new journey. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned with Sparkies.